Hello guys, join me to visit a 250-foot tall waterfall in Enugu. The Iyi Nzu waterfall, sometimes called Ezimo waterfall, is located in Ezimo in Uden local government area of Enugu state. Enugu state is not a place known for water bodies, so when I heard of this place, I was curious. I wanted to see things for myself. So on today's episode of Wacky Visuals, I will be seeing this natural wonder in Enugu with a group of curious-minded people. We will be exploring together and having fun. Stay tuned. The journey started from Upper Square. It was an hour plus ride. It was fun. We even played games while in the vehicle and all.
Lemon 2, lemon 2, lemon 8.
Lemon 8, lemon 2.
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 Lemon 2, lemon 10.
Lemon 10, lemon 11. Okay,
Once beating 15 times shy.
lemon 12.
Lemon 12, lemon 13. Lemon 13, lemon 20. Lemon 25, lemon 1.
Lemon 1, lemon 16.
Lemon 16, lemon 3. Lemon 3, lemon 16.
16.
No, no, it's
Before you knew it, we arrived at Ezimo village and we have to complete the rest of the journey by foot. Before heading to the waterfall, we took a detour to a man-made natural pool to freshen up. After swimming a bit, it was finally time to head to the waterfall. We finally arrived at the waterfall and I just have to take a moment and appreciate the creator before taking all of it in.
Hi, I'm Selma. Selma. Yes.
Is this your first time here?
Yeah, it's actually my first time and I love the place. It's so nice, it's so calm. I love the weather, everything.
What do you like most about it?
I like the nature, the water is what unfortunately that has not entered the water, but I can feel it from here. Only my leg touching the water, I love it so much.
Do you know there's a place like this in before?
I don't know actually, I only know of our home, but this one, I'm just hearing it for the first time and I love the fact that I came here to witness it.
I hope you're having fun.
Yeah, I'm having a lot of fun. I won't regret ever coming here. I love it here.
Hi, my name is Mario.
Are you ready having fun here?
Yes, I am. Good to be here. Yeah.
So here is not your expectation.
Huh?
Is it what you expected?
Yeah, it actually is what I expected and more. So, yeah, it was nice.
People are here, is this before today?
No, I know waterfall exists in Enugu, but I did not know that this particular one exists.
So you're really having fun.
Yeah, I am.
You tell your friends are here.
I will, if you will pay me.
Finally, it was time to leave as we still had an hour plus right ahead of us. If you've watched till here, like, subscribe, and share.
Hello, so what's your name?
Mr. Chikuno.
Mr. Chikuno. So, here's a community.
Yeah, this is
Ezimo. So, and here I've been like this since beginning of this community.
Many years. So our forefathers, they have been operating here, hunting within this environment.
Okay.
And
So
we are here now.
protecting it as well.
After our own now, our children will still take over.
That's only to take the. But the people trip here often. People they come here very often.
Every Sunday.
Every
More especially during Christmas time, Easter time,
Okay. So
weekend.
so
We're entertaining people here.
the community, have they come together like maybe to commercialize this place or to push
Seriously,
more
we
out?
have done this in the Ezimo Festival 2020. Even during the FI wine regime.
Okay.
Was here.
Him, the governor himself was
People
here.
know that this place is existing.
Because what I'm saying
This
is,
waterfall is in Nigerian history. Go and
Yeah.
trace it.
it's supposed to be more, but it's not like getting that publicity that it needs. Like prior to this trip, I not even know that all my age that there's waterfall here.
If you go to history, Nigerian history is there. But
Of
now
course,
we are
I'll
not
add it
doing-
to history myself now, and I'm going after leaving here. I'll still leave a mark that I went to here after. It was nice having you guys, and I pray that more people will find more about here.
As we got to town, we treated ourselves to a place of delicious abacha. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and wait for the next one. Thank you.